Hello everyone and welcome back to Zaki educational channel. So I am back with one more Monday quiz which is conducted every week on Monday on this platform. So this is the part 24 and we conduct this quiz to prepare ourselves for the environmental science entrance examination and to get some knowledge about environmental science. So let's get started. If you want to participate in the quiz, you should know all the rules about this quiz contest. Yes, you should read all these rules by pausing the video, and I should tell you two important rules that are you should answer in this format which is given, and every month one top performer with the maximum combined score from all the weekly quiz will be awarded with a cash prize and certificate. So this month in November there are 5 Mondays, so you can score as much as you can. So let's start with the first question. So today's first question is, pycnoclean layer in the water body has the dash density gradient. So you should select from the 4 options given on your screen. Time is running out, let's move to the next question. The second question is, the wavelength for the thermal infrared region of the electromagnetic wave ranges from what to what? So you should select the correct option and you are having 10 seconds to think about the correct answer. Time for the third question. The third question is, what was India's first Ecolabel and when it was launched by the government of India? Let's move to the question number 4. The fourth question is, when was the first post-independence national forest policy issued in India? So it is asking after the independence. So you should correctly choose the option from the given 4 years. Let's move to the fifth question. The fifth question is, the famous environment reformer BABA AMTE is related to which of the following movements? So you should carefully read, there are 5 options given. Let's move to the question number 6. The sixth question is, the full form of GRIHA which is used for the eco-friendly building is what? So I would like to suggest you to take a pen and paper and write all the options because it will be helpful for you when the quiz is over to write it in the comment section. Let's move to the 7th question of the quiz contest. The 7th question is, the efficiency of a photovoltaic, that is PV cell, indicates what? So read the options very carefully. Let's move to the next question. The 8th question is, which was the first Asian country to establish a solar pond? Time is running out. The 9th question is, the wetlands release which of the following gases? So we are moving towards the final question of the quiz contest. So let's take to the 10th question. The 10th question is, the pneumatophores are the characteristic features of which of the following species? So that's all in this part of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. So write down all the correct options in the comment section and stay tuned for the further updates.